Welcome to the channel. After many of you thankfully let me know that it indeed was a rectifier, so remove that red tube away from here. I used one of its pedestals or attachments as a grounding point, and now I'm soldering whatever here was connected to the ground. So I used these shims from the rectifier, squash them here with a screw, and I will solder all the needed cables to this, have a good grounding. Now in addition to that, I will next need to put a rectifier here, so it's going to be one of these, like this one, or like this one. So I made two holes because I wasn't sure which way around to put it. It's going to be in this one. These will be facing that side. I will about liberal amounts of insulating material there once everything is connected. But next I will clean up this surface, then apply thermal paste, then put screws and nuts with with a screw lock in place, which is here, and then this one should be in place and I can start soldering things. Okay, as you can see from the smear, so now this one is screwed, put thread lock, it's screwed in place with thermal compound underneath to ensure thermal transfer into the body. And I guess next phase is to start soldering cables to these connectors. Alright, ground is now in place, or minus or ground is in place for this rectifier. Maybe the phase is next. Now the ground was done as before, and now the phases are connected here. Maybe not the prettiest, but yeah, here's the phases. Now it's the plus left. And now, after some magic of soldering, everything is here connected. Looks like a horrible mess, sorry. I'm just getting a bit too tired to do this. Only thing I need to keep a space here for the standoff, and yeah, this is about it. I think I will not connect the oscillator circuit yet to this power circuit, so I can test them separately.